How to sign out YouTube account from other devices. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sign out your YouTube account from other devices. Whether you have logged into a shared computer or just want extra security, this guide will help you. Now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open your YouTube app and make sure that your account is logged in. Once you have opened the YouTube, simply tap on the profile icon shown on the bottom right corner. Once you are in your profile, simply tap on the option named Google account and you will be prompted to your Google account. Once you are there, simply scroll over to the security. Once you are in the security tab, simply scroll down until you see the option named Your Devices. Now click on Manage all devices to see the detailed list of each devices that have been connected to your account. Now you will see the list of each devices with its name, location and last activity. Simply tap the devices that you want to remove and you will be prompted to a page where you can see the different options. Now from there simply tap on the option named Signed Out and you have successfully removed the device from your account. Repeat this process for any device you want to remove access from. And that's it. Now you know how to sign out your YouTube account from other devices. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.